Phase 3 of the East Lake Greenway project is a 3.4-kilometer-long lakeside renovation scheme in Wuhan, China. It connects both ends of previously completed renovation phases running along the shoreline of East Lake. Featuring a beautiful stretch of shoreline, the project has artfully upgraded the pedestrian experience by improving poorly planned pedestrian sections, upgrading links to historic landmarks, including the Central Old Wuhan University, and revitalizing traditional culture through landscape storytelling. The result is a user-friendly green corridor, as well as a showcase of contemporary ecological restoration.